Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SEII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious here, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support that I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right here at $4.10. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see on a couple different instances, the bears did try to press down through there, including the final 30 minutes of the day. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So yeah, if that can continue to occur, that would certainly be priority number one. But don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 410, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 410, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, two main ones stand out. First one is more so a shorter term one. That's right there at $4.45. And then the other one is more so essentially the previous highs right up here around 470. So before you start talking about 470, which I get is the exciting one to talk about, because it is exciting to talk about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, all that good stuff. You know, in many cases, there's a first bridge that needs to be crossed, and that's no different here. That first bridge that does need to be crossed is that 445 mark. So yeah, don't get me wrong, 470 is indeed a level of resistance, but before you start talking about that one and focusing on that one, the bulls first got to prove themselves and get back up above 445. All in all, though, very interesting day. We'll see how this one continues to play out the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.